Good morning, boys. Today we are going to do a poem from our English subject. So I want you to open your English textbooks to page number 73, lesson number 33, Wash Day. Lesson 33, Wash Day by Elizabeth P. Upson. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high, but I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. Boys, I hope you are paying attention to the poem and listening carefully. Now, this is a poem where the poet Elizabeth P. Upson is saying that Mrs. Ocean is washing her clothes every day the whole year through. That is, every day, day in and day out, she's washing clothes and she's using so much bluing. Now, you know what is the meaning of bluing? Bluing is a bluish substance that is used to wash clothes to make the yellow fabrics look whiter. You know, mummy also must be using bluing to make the white clothes look more whiter. That substance is called a bluing substance. For example, mummy must be using rin, ujala, neel. Okay, so that is a bluing substance. Okay, that it stains the water blue. Okay, so Mrs. Ocean is using so much of bluing that it is making the ocean look blue. Okay, so it's staining the water. Staining means it is coloring the water blue. Okay, I have seen the soap suds floating. Now, soap suds means what? Okay, it is a foam or a lather which is formed in the soapy water. You know, mummy also, when she's washing clothes, what does she do? She takes a bucket of water, then she puts little soap in it, and then she mixes it well. Okay, so when she's mixing, you see foam or lather is formed in the water now. So that is called the soap suds. So the poet is saying that I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. So when there is high tide and the waves are rough, that is the time we see the soap suds floating. If you go to a beach, you will see the soap suds which are floating. Okay, but I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. So the poet Elizabeth P. Upson is saying, Mrs. Ocean, when she's washing these clothes, I have still not discovered where she's hanging the clothes to dry. Okay, she's washing so much of clothes, but where is she putting the clothes for drying? Okay, mama, when she washes her clothes, she puts the clothes no, on the clothesline to dry. So the poet P. Upson is saying that till now I have not discovered where she's hanging the clothes to dry. Okay, and I'm repeating the poem once again. Boys, carefully pay attention and repeat it after me. Lesson number 33, Wash Day by Elizabeth F. Upson. Mrs. Ocean takes in washing every day the whole year through, and she uses so much bluing that it stains the water blue. I have seen the soap suds floating when the waves were rough and high. But I never have discovered where she hangs the clothes to dry. Boys, I hope you liked the poem. Please recite this poem 2 or 3 times and learn it by heart. Okay? Bye, boys. Thank you. Have a nice day.